This is Mauntasan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will select the right plane. Okay, in the right plane, I will draw this rectangle. And for drawing this rectangle, I will draw a cent. For drawing this triangle, first of all, I'll draw a rectangle, center rectangle, and from the center rectangle, as you know, there are dotted line, constant dotted line in there. So I will trim these lines and also this line, then I will make this line. Okay, then after that I will extrude boss it to here. We can see the line have dimension of 40 by 40 unit. Okay, then I will extrude boss it to 40 unit. Then our first portion has been done. Then secondly, we will draw this triangle, and for drawing this triangle, first of all, from this midpoint, okay, this time also I will select the right plane, and from this midpoint I will draw a vertical line. And as the total distance is 40 units, so the half distance will be 20 unit. Okay, then as this horizontal line to this point is total distance 30 unit, so 30 minus 20, so this will be our 10 unit distance. Okay, and from this 10 unit distance, I'll draw a line, horizontal line, that will coincident here. Then I will mirror this line, then I will draw a vertical line, then I will close this shape. This way we'll get our triangle, and we will extrude boss it to this side, and it has a total distance of 10 plus 5 plus 5 unit. And finally we can see we have another triangle here. Okay, and for drawing this triangle, as we know, this is total 20 unit distance. So from here to here the distance is 10 unit. So here is our midpoint. So we will take two line, one is horizontal and another is vertical line, up to this midpoint of 10 unit. Then we will connect these two line, then we will extrude cut it into both side. Okay, so let's go back to our geometry and in our SolidWorks. So first of all, I'm selecting the right plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle of 10 by 10 dimension. Now, okay. After that, select the trim tools. Okay, we're going to select in the trim tools. So I have trimmed all the portion, and now press OK. Now right click on your mouse and you will see the construction geometry button and select this line, and it will turn out to be a line. Or you can draw your rectangle manually, but for easy drawing I want to pick my origin here. Okay, from this midpoint, that's why I have taken in this way. So you can draw as you want this triangle. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit. Okay, so we're going to extrude boss it to 40 unit, and from the mid plane now press OK. So this portion has been done. Okay, so I'm selecting the right plane again. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now selecting the center line and placing the center line to this origin or your midpoint of the diagonal. Now select the dimension to 10 unit, because our total distance is 13. So from mid plane we have a subtract the distance of 20 units, so our distance is 10 unit. Okay, now select the line tool from here and draw a line. So this line has a dimension of 20 unit, 10 unit. Okay, so it will coincident in this point. Now select the mirror entities, and I want to mirror this line and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. So again select the line tool, and from this point draw a vertical line and coincident it. Okay, then close the shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss, we're going to extrude boss it to 20 units. So 5 plus 10 plus 5, so it will be 20 unit. Now press OK. Again we are going to select the right plane. Now sketch, then normal to it. So I'm selecting the line tool and drawing a line of 10 unit distance to this midpoint, and again it draw a diagonal line to this midpoint. Okay, and close the shape. So you'll see it also is 10 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now we're going to extrude cut it to 10 unit. So we're going to extrude cut it to 10 unit from midplane. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.